has clarified their position on the nuclear program. According to the news published by Al Jazeera, Iran will not accept demands from the United States to reverse its nuclear program acceleration before Washington lifts sanctions. Iran Foreign Minister, Mohammad Javad Zarif, said, "The demand is not practical and will not happen." The new administration of U.S. President Joe Biden has said Tehran must resume compliance with curbs on its nuclear activity under the World Powers 2015 deal before it can rejoin the pact formerly known as the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action or JCPOA. According to the report, Iran breached the terms of the accord in a step-by-step response to the decision by Biden's predecessor Donald Trump to abandon the deal in 2018 and reimpose sanctions on Tehran. Earlier this month, Iran resumed enriching uranium to 20% at its underground Fordow nuclear plant, a level it achieved before the accord. However, Iran has said it can quickly reverse those violations if U.S. sanctions are removed. On the U.S. side, top U.S. diplomat Antony Blinken has signaled that U.S. sanctions on Iran will remain in place for some time, as Washington waits to see if Tehran verifiably stops violating a 2015 nuclear deal with world powers before potentially rejoining the deal that the prior U.S. administration quit. Speaking Wednesday, in his first news conference since being sworn in the previous day as Secretary of State, Blinken said, "The U.S. is a long way from the point of fulfilling President Joe Biden's campaign pledge to rejoin the deal known as JCPOA if Iran resumes compliance with it."